This video will show you how to clean your Magicard 600 printer. You will need the cleaning cards that came in the box with your printer. You can also order them from your nearest dealer. Firstly, remove any cards from the printer. Make sure this is done before continuing further. Open the lid of your Magicard 600 and remove the die film spools as shown. With the home screen showing on the display, click Menu. This will be the right-hand button under your display. With the Clean Rollers option selected, click the right arrow button. The display will show a warning prompting you to remove any cards from the printer if you haven't already done so. Click Next. The display will now prompt you to remove the die film. Do this if you haven't already done so. Press Next. Keep the lid open. The display will ask you to get a cleaning card ready. Press Next. You will be asked to insert the cleaning card. The rollers inside the printer will automatically start turning. Take a cleaning card and remove the packaging. Insert the card, narrow end first, through the slot under the display at the front of the printer. The rollers will pull the card inwards and the display will say Cleaning. The card will eject and reinsert itself a number of times. It will eject the whole card once complete. Turn the card over. You will see the dye and dirt that has been removed from the rollers. The display will ask if you'd like to print again. If you choose so, click Yes. The printer will prompt you to insert the card again and repeat the process. It is recommended at this stage that you replace the tacky roller. Remove it as shown and take out the inner rod to insert into a replacement. With the arrows facing downwards, put the tacky roller back into place. Remove the protective cover by pulling gently on the yellow strip. The display will ask you whether you would like to clean again. Click No as required. Press the left-hand arrow until you return to the home screen. Replace the die film and close the lid. Put the hopper back into place. Your printer is now clean and ready to use.